Once again this afternoon, some scary moments at times with some showers and storms, but none of them have caused any damage, just some heavy downpours. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for another hour or so of showers in sight tonight. It's also blue, a little bit cooler weather, but a lot less humid weather in view. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. We forecast a high of 86 today. We couldn't do 4 bullseyes in a row, so 4 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. We came within 3. Weather headlines: still muggy overnight tonight, but less humid tomorrow afternoon. And then there might be another isolated shower tomorrow afternoon, but they'll be very few and far between. Basically, no rain through next Monday. Comfortable temperatures in the 70s to near 80 right on through the weekend. In terms of our weather tomorrow, we'll start out with mostly sunny skies. We may become partly cloudy in the afternoon for a moment. There could be a brief sprinkle as a cold front goes through. That's what's going to drop our humidity. Look at the winds shifting from the southwest to the west-northwest. That'll bring in that drier air. I just looked around on our mesonet, looking at some of the rainfall. Hopkinsburg in Allegan County, 1.5 inches. Bentheim also 1.5 inches. Down in Kalamazoo and Parchment, 1.23 in Barry County near Thornapple Lake near Quimby, 1.21, and northeast of Vermontville, almost looks like Nevermontville, and northeast of Vermontville in Eaton County, 1.32. So some heavy downpours with these showers and storms that came out of Illinois and Wisconsin. We had some rumbles of thunder here on the northwest side of town. That's why we're doing weather indoors. But most of the heavier storms are now east of 131. They'll continue to push east, but this one just along M44 over toward the Belding area. This is a very heavy downpour. You'll have to watch out for driving under that. And most of the heavier storms are now around the Battle Creek area on up to just south and east of Hastings up towards Charlotte. Those will be moving on to the east as well. And then we're going to get into a little bit of clearing, but the cold front is still way back here in northwest Minnesota, and that's going to take a while to push on through here. But once it does, you'll feel a huge change in our temperatures and humidity. In terms of our models, you can see most of the showers and storms and then clearing skies later on this evening. So it should be a beautiful sunset once the clouds roll on out. You can see a pop-up shower not out of the question here tomorrow, but for the most part, we're just going to see a brief period of partly cloudy skies right around the middle of the afternoon, but mostly sunny the rest of the day. And as we go into Wednesday night, it's going to be a night where we can open the windows finally, and into Thursday afternoon, lots of sunshine again. The chances of rain are not 0, but virtually dry weather for the next 6 or 7 days. Upper level winds driving the fronts on through. You can see a little bit of that cool down coming through during the day on Wednesday into Thursday through the weekend. A little bit of a warm up early next week, and then another reinforcing shot of some cooler air coming on down. That will be with us for the Labor Day holiday weekend. Forecast though for tomorrow, look for partly cloudy skies. Again, can't rule out the possibility of a sprinkle. Upper 70s north, around 80 from Muskegon, Holland, down through South Haven. Up north, this is the best area, the highest chances for rain during the day tomorrow. We're talking 10 or 20%, around 78 to 83 in Greenville, and from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be around 82 to 84 under partly cloudy skies. Winds turning around to the northwest in the afternoon. Quite a change from the early part of the day. 13 on your side forecast. From the 80s into the 70s for much of the rest of the week after tomorrow. We'll climb back into the mid-80s on Monday. That'll be the warmest day next week. Showers and thunderstorms now on Tuesday, and then even cooler weather as we wrap up the end of the following week.